Compute the average value of square waveform shown in the below figure 3. So we have to find the average value. So what do you mean by average value? So example, this is voltage given. So the average of all the instantaneous voltages about its time period will give us the average value, or average value is represented as 1 by t integral 0 to t v of t dt volts. So first let's find the time period t. So we have to take one cycle. So it is starting from 0 and ending here, and we can see that from 0.3 again a cycle starts. So our final time is 0.3 and initial time is 0. So total the time period will be final minus initial, that is 0.3 minus 0, which will be 0.3 seconds is our t. Now what does integration means? Integration means addition. Addition of what? Addition of the values of voltages till the time period t. That is from 0 to 0.3 we have to add all the values, instantaneous values of voltages. That is example from 0 to 0.1. What we have? We have a rectangle, or that the signal amplitude is 20 volts and having time period of 0.1 seconds. So I can say V is equal to 20 volts and T is equal to 0.1 second. And from 0 to 0.3 seconds the signal is 0 volts. So what is average value? 1 by T, that is 1 by 0.3. Integral means what? Addition of all this. V into T. So V into T plus 0 into 0.1 plus 0 into 0.1. This is V and this is T. V into T till it completes the full time period, that is of 0.3 seconds. Sorry, this is 0.1 to 0.2 and this is 0.2 to 0.3. That is, they are having a time period of 0.1 second. This is T. This is V. Or in the other words, I can say that I have found the area of a rectangle. What is the area of a rectangle? Length into breadth. So that's why 20 into 0.1 I did. So if we solve this, we will get 0.67 volts is our average value. Suppose in this question he tells us to find the RMS value. So what will be the RMS value? It will be under root of 1 by t integral of 0 to t v square of t dt, that is root mean square, or we can say effective value. So in the case of RMS, we have to put under root and we have to do square of the voltages. So what we'll get? We'll get 11.5 volts, which is V RMS. So he told us to find the average value, which is 0.67 volts, and if he tells to find RMS value is 11.5 volts. Now we can directly calculate this in calculator also, because we have a provision of integral. So V average will be 1 by t. So the signal is only from 0 to 0.1, and from 0.1 to 0.3 it is 0. So I am writing only till 0.1. And what is the voltage? 20 dt. So if I solve this in calculator, here is the integral. So first write 1 by t, 1 by 0.3, then integral of 0 to 0.1, 20. Now press equal to, we'll get our answer, that is 6.67 volts. This 6.67 volts is our average value. Sorry, this is 6.67 volts. Similarly, we can do RMS also. Now in the case of RMS value, we have to put under root and square V square t. So let's solve in calculator. So if I write like this in calculator, that is with under root, and I have whole square 20, so press equal to, we'll get the same result, that is 11.5 volts. It's our RMS value. So the average value is 6.67 volts and the RMS value is 11.5 volts. Thank you.